AI and freight? Every software company is talking about it, like it's about to run your business, book your shipments, and make your morning coffee. And sure, AI is important, but here's the part nobody talks about. What system is your AI actually running on? Because if you're still battling legacy software, spreadsheets, emails, and manual processes, adding AI on top doesn't solve the problem. It's like installing a jet engine on a shopping cart. Maybe you're stuck with an outdated system that's slowing everything down. Or maybe you're at square one. You know, the place where you've been forwarding freight for years. Everyone keeps talking about AI, but you're still missing the core platform that gets your business digital in the first place. That's where FREIGHTOSCOPE comes in. One centralized system for your entire workflow. From quotes to pricing, operations, bookings, EAWB, tracking, billing, and invoicing. One platform. Centralized operations, smarter automation. No jumping between platforms, no patchwork of add-ons, no operational chaos hiding behind shiny new technology. And yes, we have AI tools too, but first, we built the foundation. Because AI doesn't replace a great system, it amplifies one. If you're ready to move beyond the buzzwords and build on something solid, FREIGHTOSCOPE is a great place to start.